Hello, this is Yusuf Fada for Computer Science 110. Once again, it's my second YouTube video. This is for the first question on our take-home quiz. And the first question asks me set up a sum accumulator and use a for loop with range statement to find 1 plus 3 plus yada yada yada. So to do this first, I started with I initialize sum accumulator equal to 0. It's the first step I had to do. And then I took the numbers I was given, which was 1 to 101. So I wrote for and in range 1 to 103 because you have to go over the last maximum number. And since these are going by 2, I went up more over 2, put it at 103, and they're going by 2. And then I said sum of cum equals sum of cum plus n. And I printed the statement, and it's the total sum is. And once you do that, and you also have to put the sum of cum, it's gonna print out. When it prints out on the shell, it's gonna say the total sum is instead of sum accumulator. It's gonna give you the answer. So when you run the code, right there's your answer. Total sum is 2,601. Thanks for watching my video.